How to use the sketch panel in Silhouette Studio Designer Edition. Step 1. The sketch panel is located in the right toolbar. Step 2. In the first tab you'll find all the preset edges and fills. Step 3. From the second tab you can customize the sketch designs. Step 4. In the first tab the Edge Sketch section contains options for various styles of edges. Step 5. When you select an edge sketch it'll remove the original line around the border of the image. Step 6. The edge sketch options include none, plain, continuous, scribble, pen, pencil, and charcoal. Step 7. None removes any original lines around the border of the image if the image is filled with one of the fill sketch effects. Step 8. The plain option removes a simple plain edge around the design or reverts the image to its original state. Step 9. The continuous effect applies a continuous drawing effect to the edge of the selected design. Step 10. Scribble applies a scribbled loop effect. Step 11. The pen option applies a pen-drawn appearance to the edge. Step 12. The pencil option applies a pencil-drawn appearance. Step 13. The charcoal option applies a thick charcoal drawn effect on the selected design. Step 14. The fill sketch effects will fill in the inside of the design with a sketch pattern. Step 15. The none option will clear the sketch fill effect from the design. Step 16. Cross hatch applies a filled square box pattern. Step 17. Diamond hatch applies a filled diamond pattern. Step 18. Grill applies straight parallel lines in the selected design. Step 19. Scribble applies a filled scribble loop pattern. Step 20. Zigzag applies a zigzag series of lines to the selected image. Step 21. Pencil applies a filled pencil shading effect to the image. Step 22. Charcoal applies a filled thicker charcoal shading effect to the design. Step 23. Release sketch will release the sketch pattern from further changes. Step 24. In the second tab of the sketch panel you'll find the advanced options. Step 25. Each preset option from the basic set is a combination of variables that can be adjusted in the Advanced Options tab. Step 26. The Advanced Edge effect contains off, plain, continuous, rough, and scribble. Step 27. The Advanced Edge effect options are similar to the default edge effects but there are several controls for fine-tuning. Step 28. You can adjust the effect using width, density, waver, stroke length, splay, curvature, loop separation, loop size, and randomness. Step 29. Adjust the effects using the slider or the input box. Step 30. The Fill Type Zigzag section contains hatch and you can use the spacing, angle, offset, and sweep to adjust the design. Step 31. The Fill Effect Rough section contains off, rough, and scribble options. Step 32. Then use stroke length, width, density, splay, curvature, loop separation, loop size, randomness, and density to adjust the settings. Step 33. First, select the edge or fill sketch from the basic tab, then adjust the settings from the advanced tab. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.